In December 2023, Figma's $20 billion deal with Adobe fell through due to regulatory intervention. Now, Figma is back in the spotlight, but not for a merger. Instead, it's for a legal confrontation with Lovable, an emerging AI development tool. Figma has issued a cease-and-desist letter to Lovable, claiming that their use of the term dev mode infringes on Figma's trademark. This move is not just about protecting a name. It signals a deeper concern for Figma as it navigates a rapidly evolving tech landscape, where AI-driven tools are gaining traction and challenging traditional design software. The letter Figma sent to Lovable is both polite and direct. It requests that Lovable cease using the term dev mode, change the name of its tool, and remove all references from public content. The letter reads, "We're flattered that you agree dev mode is the ideal name for a software tool," before firmly asking Lovable to stop using the term. This legal action highlights Figma's intent to protect its brand identity, but it also raises questions about the company's current position in the tech industry. Figma introduced its own dev mode feature in 2023 to bridge the gap between design and development. However, new platforms like Lovable, Google's Firebase Studio, Bolt, Cursor, and V0 are bypassing traditional design layers altogether. These AI-driven tools allow developers to create production-ready user interfaces without the need for design files or Figma to code plugins. This shift represents a significant threat to Figma as it faces not just competition, but the risk of becoming obsolete. The emergence of these tools underscores the growing demand for more efficient, AI-assisted development processes that streamline workflows and reduce reliance on traditional design software. Lovable responded to Figma's claims publicly on X, challenging the notion that dev mode is exclusive to Figma. Anton Osika, a representative from Lovable, stated, "Dev mode is a common feature name used by companies like Wix, Atlassian, Figma, Shopify, and many more." This response highlights the widespread use of the term across the industry, making it difficult for any single company to claim ownership. The developer community has taken notice, and many are not siding with Figma. The situation has sparked a broader conversation about trademark rights and the evolving landscape of software development. Figma's legal action against Lovable may be more defensive than protective. Without Adobe's backing, Figma is navigating a rapidly changing space on its own. Startups are not just incorporating AI into their tools. They are building them from the ground up with AI at the core. This shift is widening the gap between what Figma offers and what developers now expect. The timing of Figma's legal move, coupled with the lack of a clear legal threat, suggests a reaction to the momentum of AI-driven tools rather than a confident assertion of trademark rights. As one X user humorously noted, Figma says we can't use the word dev mode in Lovable. This sentiment reflects the broader perception that Figma's actions may be more about maintaining relevance than protecting a name. In the end, Figma's challenge is not just about a trademark, it's about holding its ground in an industry that's rapidly moving forward, leaving traditional design tools behind.